type properly, just tap on this link I just shared to you. It will take you directly to the website. The website is loading. Just hold on, please. The website has loaded. If you want to change your currency from naira to dollars, just press this green, white, green. Okay, you will see USD. If you are in USA, you don't understand naira, just tap on this. All the prices to change to USD. Now this is the front page. You can scroll down to see everything. You can scroll down and see everything on the page. Okay, you can see. You scroll down and see everything on the page. If you want to buy Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, just click on Add to Cart. This is the front page, okay? You can go back up, okay? Okay, if you want to search up on any product, you just tap on this search product. You can just tap on it and write, maybe you want to buy Snow White lotion. You click on this icon here. It will load, okay? You will see all the Snow White, okay? If you can't find anything on the first page, you can click on next page, okay? If you want to go back, just click on this your back. It will take you back to the front page. Okay, this is the front page. You can look up, you can see the basket, your carts, okay? You can see, you can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to check all the categories, this accessories Kirasecret, just tap on it. Okay, tap on this one. You will see all the, tap on this, you see all the categories. You see all the categories, okay? Look at it. There's lotion, there's face cream, there's supplement, anything you want to buy, okay? But if you want to buy Kirasecret products, just tap on this accessories Kirasecret. You see it, you see all Kirasecret products. All of Kirasecret products is here. Accessories Kirasecret products is here. If you can't see anything in the first page, you can click on number 2, next page, or you click on next page. Okay, you see all Kirasecret skincare products, okay? If you want to buy this Arabian fairness stuff, you just click Add to Cart. Okay, you can click View Cart. If you want to view your cart, just tap here View Cart to see all your orders. Okay, it's loading. You can see this is your cart. Okay, these are your orders. Okay, if you want to go back, if you want to check out, that is when you click on Proceed to check out. But if you are not done shopping, just click on Back. It will take you back. If maybe you are done shopping, okay, you just click on your cart. This basket here, you just tap on it. These are your carts, okay? This is what is in your basket, you know, okay? Either you go back or you say checkout. You want to check out that you're done, okay? You're on your checkout page, all right? Okay, if you want to see all your orders, you can click on this your money side to see all your orders. Look at your order. If you want to carry it back, you click here. Okay, they said you should put your shipping address, put your email address. Email address is very important. Look at it. Here's email address. You put your email address, okay? Your country, just tap here. You see whether you're in Nigeria, if you're United States, okay? If you're United States, you tap on United States. If you're in UK, this is United States, US, okay? Okay, you put your first name, your surname, your last name. You put your address, you put your city, where you are. If you're in Lagos, if you're in Nigeria, where are you in Nigeria? That's your city. Okay, if you're in the US, you fill all those things. Your state and country, you put it. Your phone number, you just click on it and write your phone number. Okay, you just leave it like that. All right, then you see your shipping fee. This is direct bank transfer. Okay, if you want to transfer to us, if you are in Nigeria, you can click on leave it to direct bank transfer. You transfer. If you're in the US, you want to use World Remit, Lemfi, Remitly, Western Union, West Area, any which send wave, tap send, just leave it on direct bank transfer. But if you want to use your card, you can tap on this no mad, just tap on it, then you use your card. This one is for your card, okay, your credit card. But if you don't want to use your credit card, you just want to transfer, leave it on direct bank transfer. But if you want to use your credit card, leave it on number, tap on number, okay, and that is that, okay. And when you are done, just click on place order. Just tap on place order, then you place your order. You will see when you click on place order, you will see our account number at the last page, and you also go to your email. That's why I say email is very important. Put your email address, then you can go to your email and you see all your orders, our account number, then you pay. Okay, if you want to contact us, tap on this contact us on WhatsApp. It's very easy.